If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back, Trias family. It's Louis Crypto here, back with another update. We're going to look very briefly at my last video because I told you guys on the 5-day time frame a signal had just flashed, and what we need to do, which was in the title, is hold this key level of support and breach this level for life-changing gains. Why was that why was I saying that in the video? Because you can hardly see it because it was the very first day that it appeared right here, but this white line is actually the 200 moving average, and it's taking up the last 200 candles and creating an average for that. And this is the 5-day time frame, so we need 200 5-day periods for this to appear. That's why it took so long to appear on Trias's KuCoin chart. Now, this is stating what trend we are in. The longer term trend. Short term of this 20 and the 55, we can see a bullish crossroad formed over here. The anticipation is that we keep going up. However, if the 200 EMA is above us, it could be that is the top of this short term uptrend in a larger downtrend, because if we are below this, it's signaling we're in a longer term downtrend. The shorter term time moving averages are saying we are in an uptrend until that very point, which just appeared over there. I know it wasn't here beforehand, but this doesn't move too much, as it needs a 200-day period of 5 days to create average. So it doesn't move too much. It would be pretty straight. If we extended it to the past, it would have been in this area. So it's this whole area over here that is the resistance, but this is the 200th 5-day period right over here. And that was at the $4.50 area. And I was suggesting in this last update that we need to be careful over here, because although we have signals flashing from down here that we're bullish, we've created the reversal wave, which is bullish, which is a suggestion that we will eventually get up to these targets up here, as well as us being above the moving averages, which are sitting on that golden pocket that we're looking for support from in order to break the 200 EMA, flipping this into a longer term uptrend, which is what the shorter term moving averages are already suggesting. Can we now come back and confirm this all the support, hold the shorter term moving averages, and actually break through this longer term trend indicator, which is suggesting it is in a downtrend? Break this and we will get this follow through and explode and meet these potential targets to the upside. And we can see that I drew out this path in the video as well. So this is what we need to see essentially. So now let's go over to the actual Trias chart to see what has been going on since this update. But please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. I also have a whole bunch of education to offer, whether that's my ebook, course, group chat, where we do 2 weekly group calls where I mentorship you live on the exact strategies you need to be following, or a one-to-one mentorship plan, which also does include my course for free, as well as 3 months free in the Discord community. I will be doing a discount for the remainder of the month, so please private message me with the links in the description down below, and click the link tree or take action over here and head straight to the Twitter to private message me about these offers. Going into the Trias chart, we can see that this is actually held very nicely as resistance. This was what was my warning in the last update. And it's actually a warning signal. Maybe this even could be an emergency update, simply because if we come down and actually fail to hold this as support and we lose the moving averages and the golden pocket and flip it into resistance, then this would suggest that this move above the golden pocket is a fake out and we are looking for lower lows. How do we go ahead and invalidate that all? Simply hold the moving averages and this golden pocket, kiss it as support, break the 200 EMA, flipping the $4.50 area as support, nice psychological level, and breaking through this $5 high over here to head up to our targets as high as $7.50, let's just say. That's pretty much it from me today. It is very important to hold this key level over here. So warning signs are there on the chart. For us holders, it's just important to hold this previous resistance now as support, and then we're looking to break the high, which is a 50-cent range over here, $4.50 and $5. Turn that into support to get a pump towards $6 and $7.50. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you want to hear more more details about my offers and how there will be a discount, just private message me for the discount. It's not actually on the website just yet. Message me for more information, because when you take action on an offer, maybe a few more things are included for free. So yeah, if you want to hear more about that, listen to this clip right now. Cheers everyone. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.